Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I'm gonna do a bit unboxing and review on Mavok EDC flashlight. So I bought this Mavok EDC flashlight from Kickstarter, if I'm not mistaken, earlier of this year, which is for aluminum and titanium version. And this one is aluminum and this is the titanium. So there's two of it. I bought early bird for $58 including shipping. So this is the cable, which is quite handy. You can put it as a keychain here and pull it and the cable will come out. It is type C for the EDC flashlight to recharge. And for your information, this flashlight is rechargeable. So I will show you how to turn on the flashlight, because I have read from other bakers that they didn't manage to open it. So let's get started. So the main thing that the first reason that I bought this flashlight, because it is very small and of course it's very handy for you to bring anywhere, and I want the flashlight to be bright enough. I have tested, maybe it's not bright, but it's quite enough to light up in the dark place if I don't want to open my room light or anything that, or if you want to bring anywhere. So first thing you need to know, there's no manual in it. For other bakers, you must know, and if you want to buy, there's no manual inside of it, so you have to read on Kickstarter site. Okay, so this is the aluminum version. So this inside of it, so to turn on the flashlight you have to just twist it and it will be turned on. So I haven't opened this yet, so I haven't opened the sticker on battery, so it will not open. Okay, so this is the light, and for your mention, this is waterproof too. Okay, so I will show you how. Okay, so this is the part where you will want to recharge if the battery is out. So you can use any type C cable other than the cable then given if you didn't bring it, but of course this is handy, you can bring it anywhere. Okay, so this is the head part. Okay, so you have to twist it to open the battery part. So they have two sides of it. The small battery, I don't remember what's the name, but it is very small, smaller than AAA battery, and it is rechargeable. I will provide you the name of the battery on the description below and you can see it. Okay, so first thing first, if you want to open the light, so you will see there's a white sticker. Actually there's a two sticker on top of it, so you have to carefully open it. Okay, you have opened. Oh, actually I think if you see there's a two layer, I think I have opened already the two layer, because the titanium version I only open one layer. So I think I'm lucky for this aluminum version, because some of other bakers they didn't open the sticker because there's two sticker actually. See, I cannot show you because I'll try to open it. Yeah, this is two layer actually. so you have to open it twice if the sticker. Okay, see, there's two sticker. There's the first layer. I couldn't open it. Okay, you can see there's a two layer actually. It's very hard to open it. Okay. So if you didn't manage it, you have to pull the transparent layer. Check out your battery first. Okay. So let's turn the lights on. Put the battery. I think I might put the wrong position. Okay, you can see there's a bright light. I will test it on at the outside of my house later, so let's check it out. Okay, hi guys, so I'm gonna show you how the Mavok EDC flashlight works. Okay, so this is I'm testing this using aluminum version. So if you see on the Kickstarter, it has two modes, that is the low light and the highlight. So I will demonstrate. So you just have to twist it to on. Okay, so it's, and twist it more to get the brighter one. Okay, so I will show you how bright is bright for this flashlight. Okay, let's see first. Okay, so this is outside of my house. So as you can see, it's quite dark here. Okay, so this is in front of my house. There's a light, and this is the right side of my house, so it's quite dark. So let's turn on the first level. This is the low. Okay, as you can see, it's quite bright for the low level of this EDC flashlight. It's bright enough. Okay, I can show you. It's bright enough if you want to see in the dark, or if you want to don't want to waste on the battery on high level. Okay, so let's check how bright on the higher brightness. So twist it more until the end. Okay, as you can see, it's very bright. I'm quite surprised how bright it is for a small flashlight that is fit size in your hand. It's very dark here, but this small flashlight can brighten it up just in your hand. Okay. But it's get a bit warm here on this flashlight if you use it on higher brightness, but I think it's still okay. Okay, so this is the low light and this is a bright. I'm very surprised how bright it is. So I hope you enjoy my video, hope you like it, and if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and subscribe. I hope you enjoy my video, every bit of it, and you can see my other reviews too. So that's all. See you on the next video. Thank you and goodbye.